All right, Parsa, just give me a moment. I'll begin.
Sorry, waiting for someone, or are we going to start?
Yes, Parsa, I'm just about to begin.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Waiting
Oh,
for.
and Mister,
I just-
you can you please send the notes and the class
Uh,
recordings to
hmm.
Google Google Classroom?
Hmm. I'll try to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, also, yes, Parsa, so last time I remember, I left you guys with this question. Did you attempt it?
Um. Wait. Um. Mm, no, sir. I didn't get it.
Did you not attempt it?
I tried to do it, but I couldn't get an answer.
All right, let's first try to check this. Okay.
Okay.
So, oh, wait, just give me a moment. It was a six marker. Therefore, it was, it's a highly important question. Normally, you don't get six markers. Usually, if a larger question is there, it's usually for binomial theorem, not for binomial progressions and stuff. But this time around, we got one. So we are just going to do it now. Let me share my screen. It says the first geometric, the first term of a geometric progression and the first term of a arithmetic progression are both equal to 1. Oh, to A. Okay. The third term of a geometric progression is equal to the second term of the arithmetic progression. Okay. The fifth term is equal to the sixth term. Okay. What do they want? Given that all terms are positive and not all equal, find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression in terms of A. Okay. But the first thing that you need to know is that, first of all, let's just write them down at the side. How do you find the nth term for a AP and for GP? Yes, Parsa. For arithmetic progression, it's going to be a plus n minus 1 times d. And for GP, it is going to be a r n raised to the power n minus 1. Clear? So far we know this, and we know that the first term for the arithmetic progression is equal to a for AP. Also, what would be the arithmetic progression's second term?
The arithmetic, it would be A times
Plus the
R
common difference? No, no, no,
and
no, 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 no. Its second term is going to be what? A
oh,
plus D?
arithmetic A plus D.
AP, Parsa, AP. Arithmetic progression.
Yeah.
Okay? And they are saying that this second term is actually equal to what? The second term of the arithmetic progression is equal to the third term of the geometric progression. Okay, let's
Yeah.
find out
So
the third term.
A plus D is equal to AR squared.
Yep. So the third term of the geometric progression is going to be AR n minus 1, which is going to be AR
So
squared.
I think
The reason
you
why I'm
first
finding out the
find
Mhm.
R in terms of A,
Yeah, you can do that. All
and
right.
then
So okay.
you
Mhm.
substitute R with those values which you find to get the arith the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression.
Yeah. So now what's going to happen? These two are going to be kept equal to each other because they are equal. So you're going to have A plus B is equal to AR squared. Clear? And why did we do for the second term of the arithmetic progression A plus B? Because A is the first term. If you add the common difference, you're going to get the second term. Simple as that. Now, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to leave it till here. Let's just consider this my first equation. I'm going to try and solve it simultaneously. Okay, let's look into this. The fifth term of the geometric progression is equal to the sixth term of the arithmetic. So AP's sixth term is equal to what? A plus 5D, because
Yeah,
it's A plus n minus 1. N is equal to 6. So n minus 1, 5 minus 1D. A plus 5D. And over here it's going to be the same case. So it's equal to, this is equal to the fifth term of the geometric sequence, which is going to be equal to what you may call, what is this going to be equal to? A R n minus 1 is 4. So it's going to be A raised AR raised to the power 4. Clear? A bit of substitution is going to come into place now. What am I going to do is that for the above guy, I can simply substitute this, and these two are equal. So it's going to be A plus 5D is equal to AR 4 raised to the power 4. Clear, Pasha?
yeah,
Now, what's going to happen? This can be my second equation. The first equation I can also manipulate to be equal to D is equal to AR squared minus A. Clear? And
Yeah.
this I can put into this equation in order to make it very simple for us because I don't need to know D. So it's going to be A plus 5 times AR squared minus A is equal to AR raised to the power 4. Clear, partner? A bit of manipulation is going to occur over here. Obviously, I'm going to expand it. So it's going to be A plus 5AR squared minus 5A is equal to AR raised to the power 4. Partner, one thing I can do, eliminate the A from this. If I eliminate A from this, what is that going to accomplish?
If you remove,
If I remove A from this, so it's going to become what? 5R squared
yeah, 5r squared
minus
minus
oh,
5.
sorry, it's going to be 1 plus 5R squared
Yeah,
minus 5
minus
is
5.
equal to R raised to the power 4.
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay.
And this can be further written down as R raised to the power 4 minus 5R squared. Um, what you may call, you can further simplify this. It's going to be taking it to the other side, it's going to be plus 4 is equal to 0. Now you can, this is a question of, if you remember, I think I told you a while ago, this one, Partha, disguised quadratics, if you remember,
Yeah. When
where
you
you
do,
use, yeah, the equation
let,
does not look explicitly quadratic, you use substitution to make it quadratic.
yeah.
Clear? So now what's it going to be? You can say that let x is equal to r squared. So this is going to be x squared minus 5x plus 4. If you solve this on the calculator, Parsa, what do you get? Okay, Parsa, solve this on the calculator and let me know the answer. Just give me a moment. Yes, Parsa. Got any values for x?
Wait, 1
I think it's going
is
to be 1 and
4 and 1.
yeah. You can middle term break this as well. Now, if x is equal to 1 and 4, that technically means that r squared is equal to 1 and 4. That means that you can solve this. 2 is r is equal to under root 1, which is equal to 1, and r is equal to under root 4, which is equal to 2. Why am I not considering plus minus over here? Is because of this little guy, given that the terms are all positive. Alright, so positive numbers are going to be taken. Now, Pasha, can I use this out of among all of these? Which one should I use? Now I'm getting two values for the common ratio. Which should one should I use?
Um,
Partha, I cannot use this.
Yeah, because 1 minus r, it can
No, no.
r.
Common difference cannot be equal to 1. How will the progression increase?
Yeah, so it
If
has
the
to be.
common difference is equal to 1, then the progression won't increase. Clear?
Yeah,
So now what's going to happen? For GP, you're not supposed to find simply what's going to happen is that you're not supposed to find the for GP. Clear? Okay. Now I found R. In order to go for it further, obviously R was equal to what? Above over here. You remember? All right. So now we already know that R was already equal to uh, D is equal to AR squared minus A. Clear? So
yeah,
it would have been equal to D is going to be equal to R is equal to 2 now. So D is going to be equal to A times 2 whole squared minus A, which is going to be equal to 4A minus A.
and a
Therefore, equal
d
to
is equal
3A.
to 3a.
Now you can simply use my formula, which is going to be the sum of the first 20 terms. So first of all, what is the formula? N over 2.
Yeah. So there's like two. One of them is like n over 2 times n plus 1.
Hmm.
And then there's another one. It's like 1 over 2 n times 2a plus d times n plus 1.
Wait. I thought you're supposed to use this one.
Yeah,
These two ones.
but
This one. This one should be much more accurate.
yeah,
Okay?
because Mister, in my exam I used the second one, 1 over 2 n a plus 1, and I got the wrong answer.
L? This one? No, this is L. This is not 1. This is L parsa. Oh
Oh,
my God. And L is the last term. You can clearly see over there it's written. L is the last term.
oh my god.
Use one only. Clear?
Yeah,
All right. So it's going to be N plus N over 2. 2A plus N minus 1 times D, which is going to be equal to what you may call, if you're going to use the exact same thing, N is going to be 22, A is going to be A. Inside the N is going to be 22, and D is now equal to 3A. Why are we replacing D? Because they are saying you need to write down the sum in terms of A. So we need to replace D. Harsha, solve this. What do you get?
Um, mode one, 10, 10. So it's 598.
Clear, Harsha?
Yeah.
Any issues with this? There's a
No, sir.
reason why it's 6 markers. Because it really it required a lot of working. Okay, let's see the marks that the examiner is going to give you. How the examiner is going to mark you. He is going to give you 1 mark over here for this equation. He's going to give you another mark over here for this equation. He is going to give you 2 marks up to get to this point. Actually, to get to this point, sorry. To get to values of r, not r squared. He's going to give you 2 marks. And Varsa is going to give you 2 marks over here for the correct answer. Clear? So if by chance you copied the answer from your friend in the exam, you're just going to get 2 marks. Working is extremely important. Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Did you do this one, Barsa? This paper?
Uh, no, sir. You didn't.
No,
You didn't give us this paper, right?
I did. Let me check.
Because Mr. I didn't remember you giving that question. I don't remember anything else.
No, in the test class that you guys have.
Oh, Mr. I told you I can't attend those on Tuesdays because like it's the day before
Hmm.
my exam. So I asked you if it was
Yeah,
possible
yes.
to do it for another day.
But I'll ask because I'm not the one who's taking the class, right? So I'll request the teacher if she can do it. Although it's highly unlikely because it's kind of hard to mess with the group timings. What can be done though is that you can not take the class, but you'll have to submit the whatever we send on the classroom. You're going to
Okay.
have to do it and then send it. Okay, that can be done for now. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Time is left very few. Otherwise, I would have started binomial. But I want binomial to be done in one class. I don't want to leave it because the problem is if I leave it on Friday, we have a gap, and on Saturday it's going to be break everything. So we're going to do binomial on the theorem on Saturday. We'll be done by it, and then differentiation will be done with it. I think I might begin differentiation on Saturday, I guess,
Okay.
and then equation. We're very well on track with the syllabus. I have to be finished with the syllabus by March 15. So if we look into the calendar, if I just tell you what the calendar is saying, it is simply going to be today is 13th. We have class on 15th, not now, 15th and 16th. And then we have our next class on 20th. By the 23rd, I think, or by the 27th, I think we'll be done with P1. And then
Okay.
we'll have like 15 days of the next month. So 1, 2, 2 days, 3, 4, 4, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 more classes. Yeah, mechanics is like very quick. I can run through mechanics. I don't have an issue with mechanics, even if it takes me like a few days above because I want you guys to practice P1 a lot. Mechanics is not really uh,
Yeah.
the you can say the difficult component. P1 is the difficult one, and P1 will be done with, inshallah. All right, we're very close to being doing with it. All right, Basha, for the remainder of this class, what you can do is attempt this worksheet. It is on Google Classroom.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
let me know
Well,
if there's any.
before I start,
Mhm.
may I use the restroom?
Yeah, yeah, sure, no issue.
Okay. Okay, so I'm back.
All right, Basha. Basha, the worksheet's on Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Kindly see it. Yes, parts are done.
So I did like 2/3 of it.
All right, parts are no worries. Try to complete it and submit it on Google Classroom.
Okay, so
I'll see you on Saturday.
okay.
Okay, Partha. Keep smiling. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.